Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Musharraf Mahmood from a beautiful city, Spanja, Turkey. Dear friends, this is a remote area but beautiful. Here there are beautiful hotels in a very affordable rates. I am here in a hotel, Spanja Sahara Hotel. The best hotel, the best accommodation in a reasonable rate, just a complimentary breakfast we have taken. So I suggest my friends to come here to visit. Here there is our brother reception here, which will tell you about the Spanja, the beauty of here, and about this hotel. So my dear, please introduce yourself. What's your name, please?
My name Hakan.
Please introduce your city.
My city
Yes. Yes, here.
here.
What's your name, dear?
My name Aytun.
What you say about this city, Spanja? A person who came here, what places he should visit, where he should go, and what is the speciality of this city?
Yes, it's a bunch of very nice, very for nature and I'm sorry.
Which places you recommend? Which places you recommend where we should go?
I don't understand. How do you understand?
A tourist who came here,
Yes.
where he should go? The places here, please.
Yes.
Yes.
This and Mashkia.
Mashukia.
Yes. Sapanca Lake.
You are asking Mashukia, that's a hill station,
Lake Sapanca.
and Lake Spanja.
Yes.
You are saying that Lake Spanja is expanding about 3 kilometers. A big lake.
Yes, big lake, very big, 3 kilometers.
Okay. And what's about the other site? Any other site?
Side lake,
Any other view which is beauty of here, Spanja?
another big place.
Yes.
Another big place. There is Mahmudia.
Mahmudia.
Yes.
What is that?
Mahmudia motion or motion and nature.
Natural beauty.
Restaurant.
Okay. Natural beauty in Mahmudia.
Yes. And Kartepe. Snow.
In these doors.
Ski.
Oh,
Ski
first
road.
class.
Ski road, yes.
Oh,
Ski center is Kartepe. Very
Kartepe.
nice. When split. No, we do very nice Kartepe. 1 meter snow for ski. Yes.
So dear viewers, you came to know that this is a beautiful site here in Istanbul. No doubt Istanbul is a big city, but many things are artificial there. Pollution, big population, fully crowded roads. So I think polluted area. But these remote areas are so beautiful. So I recommend you to visit specially this place, Sahara, and live in Sahara hotels. In another video, I will see you going to Sahara. This is enough for this video. We will meet again soon in other videos. Be happy always, and Allah Hafiz.